This is Josh, a subscriber I met in London to help him step out of his comfort zone and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 30th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Yo, what's up? I thought you were cute. You look like an angel.
I'll give you a hug. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Today we're in London. I'm with Joshua.
My name's Joshua. I'm 18. From East London, and I'm a labourer. Aspiring music producer. Naturally, I'm not very social at all. That's like almost a disability. I'm resisting against myself, if you know what I mean. Like, I see someone and I want to say something, but I don't. Like, I'm holding myself back, and I don't want to live like that for my whole life. I'd say I'm an overthinker. I sit there, I deliberate, I think a lot. I'm not a loner. I've always had friends. But I want to be able to make friends with anyone that I see. Not so much anymore, but I was super into gaming, and like I'd just be like sitting home gaming all the time, watching anime, that kind of movies. I'm not at the beginning of my journey. Like, I've made a lot of progression already.
Any last words before we start?
I guess we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, let's see.
Yo, how you guys doing today? Excuse me. I'm not. Shit. Got a bad one. It was bad. When I tapped her, the look she gave me, it was like a dirty look. I couldn't fucking continue it. Like, she just it was literally, you look back like this. Like, it was menacing.
First of all, first interaction, you went for it.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing.
I have a problem where when I go for stuff, I'm sort of half in, half out. And I just didn't fully commit, so I kind of quietly spoke and so I need to just fully go for it. So
I'm going to give you some feedback. Why did you talk to me?
She was cute.
Okay, so start with that. Hey, you're very cute. I want to talk to you. I want to say hello. Because right now, it's kind of like, hey, how are you guys doing? It's like, why are you even talking to me? Like, what do you want from me?
Excuse me. Hi. I'm Josh. I seen you walking. You look cute. Where are you going right now?
Me? Going home.
Going home? Where do you live? Oh, no, that's a weird question. No. Do you live around here?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No.
What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm Josh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah. Can I get your number?
No.
Nah? Okay, that's all right.
Thanks, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a nice day. I feel like I rushed it a bit, and also like I couldn't think of what to say.
First of all, you ask, where are you going, or like, what are you doing right now? I think this is good because sometimes people forget that what they share with people is the present moment. Mm-hmm. And another dimension that you share with people, and that is very present with your friends, is the emotional layer of your life. She's going home. Is it a day off? Did she escape from school? Is she tired? Is she sick? Is she excited because she's going to spend the afternoon hanging out with her friends? Like, how does she feel? Realize that there is a lot of keys, there's a lot of doors. It's just that when you get anxious, you sort of become blind to them.
Yeah. Which is
just,
true, yeah.
Just relax and remember that you're talking to human beings who have emotion and feel their lives,
Cool. Excuse me. Hi. Oh, are you waiting for someone here? Or?
I just work here.
Oh, you work here? Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you were pretty. I wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name?
My name's
I'm Josh.
Nice to meet you, Josh.
Are you from around here?
No, not really, no.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia?
But I live in Highbury, yeah.
Oh, okay. I did not even hear your accent, really.
Really?
It's quite light.
Oh, maybe I've been here too long.
Maybe. How do you end up here from Australia?
My husband's from
Husband?
here. Yeah, but you made my day, so thank you so much.
Okay, well,
I very
meant
much
what I
appreciate
said.
it.
Yeah.
I'm going to go home and tell him all about it.
Yeah, tell him that Joshua
told me I was pretty.
But tell him he has a good one.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. The best one so far, definitely.
In terms of?
Well, probably mainly because of how she was socially open, I think.
Okay.
But
what about you?
Still me as well, honestly. I was less nervous, still a bit nervous, but less congested.
Try to say things that are rooted in the moment. Focus in right now. Focus outward. The reason you ask what's your name, the reason you ask where are you from, is because you were not present enough, and so you needed something to fill the moment, you know? But if you were really present, you would have asked something else. What I'm saying is that, you know, every situation has so many keys that you can use. But when you're anxious, it's like your vision, like, you know, you become blind, and so then you say things that don't really fit the moment, you know?
Excuse me, how you guys doing today? Yeah, I thought you looked really nice in that pink and all that stuff. Yeah? No? Shit. Alright, well, have a nice day.
Well, first of all, you know, you bailed out and then you went.
Yeah.
So that's already success. It's already good.
They weren't interested, basically. Like, it was just like, when I said, excuse me, I thought you were cute or whatever. It was just like, turn and look at me and then go back, you know. So it was like obvious they weren't interested, basically.
Even though like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, to a large extent, people's reaction to you is your mirror. So, you know, there's 1,000 ways that someone can tell you they're not interested. But right now, you know, like if someone just looks at you and, you know, they're kind of like dismissive, personally, the way I read that situation is that you were not convinced of what you were doing either.
I wasn't.
You know, you were it's like a bad actor, you know? And so if you don't believe in what you're doing, no one else will. You need to be self-aware of your own anxiety, and you need to be self-honest. And you need to be honest with yourself about what falls under your responsibility. Because right now, there's definitely an alternate universe where, you know, there's an alternate universe where you have a nice interaction and they still reject you. There's an alternate universe where you get 1 phone number. There's an alternate universe where you get 3 phone numbers and you start a group chat. You know, everything's possible, you know? So instead of, the thing I'm just, I guess the main point I'm trying to say is that always focus on yourself.
Yeah.
Don't worry about how people react to you. Worry about, did you express yourself the way you wanted to? And so here, the conclusion should not have been, oh, you know, they were not interested. The conclusion should have been, oh, you know, I was too anxious, or I was this, or I was that. That's the conclusion. You know? That's why I asked, do you think that their reaction to you is preset? It's not. It depends on how you act.
Yo, what's up? Hi. You look really surprised.
Yeah, do I know you?
No, you don't know me. But I'm Josh.
Hi, I'm
Just gone for a run or something.
No, I'm working. Just proper naked feet up, or I'll take the shoes off.
Okay, fair enough. What's that? Is that like South Africa?
No, Lithuania.
Lithuania? Oh, that doesn't sound Lithuanian, but
yeah, I've been here longer, like over 30 years.
oh, it's gonna be like a mixture of the.
So British, yeah.
Yeah. So what? You just on your lunch break now?
Yeah, just on my lunch break.
Okay.
And you?
I'm just here with my friend. I don't know where he's gone. I basically just thought you were really cute, so
Thank you.
I came over
All
to say hi.
knackered and
Yeah, you look good, honestly.
Thank you.
Which shop are you working?
In the restaurant, Flatiron Steak, just up the road.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What time do you get up?
Oh, the late.
Late.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always different times, but
Well, another day maybe. Do you want to hang out?
I can't.
You can't? Shit.
I'm not single.
Oh, you're not single? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So
That's
can't really
alright.
make
Yeah.
me a boyfriend.
Yeah. Well,
If you was working with me, maybe it's a different story.
oh, like
We
a
could go
work
out for a
thing.
drink,
Yeah. Well, you know, we
You
can.
wanna get a job?
Yeah. I'll join the job. Yeah.
That's so funny.
But yeah. Okay. Well,
If you enjoy yourself, maybe
You too.
you'll find someone.
hopefully.
Yeah.
But I was hoping to find you, unfortunately. But
Unfortunately.
whatever. Enjoy your rice and your lunch.
Thank you so much.
It was nice to meet you.
You too.
How was that?
Best one.
Best
Pretty
one.
good. Yeah. I was more in the moment. We just had a little conversation basically. Yeah. It was like. It felt much more natural, less hicky than the other ones. Yeah, seemed pretty good. I feel really good about that one. Like, I feel like the momentum is gonna build up from that. Yep.
Nice.
Excuse me. Hi. I really like your style. What's your name?
I'm Zita. Thank you.
You're sorry? Are you in a rush, Zite?
Kind of.
Kinda. Where are you going right now?
Station.
Station. Where you Go. Oh, if you don't want to tell me where you're going, that's fine. But wait, well, I thought you were pretty. I wanted to
Thank you.
get your number.
I'm alright. Well,
You're alright?
you.
Okay, well, see you.
Bowler Joshua over here. Did you just do that?
Yes. I got fucking rejected.
Yeah, but that's good. That it doesn't matter. What matters is that you live your life true to yourself, and that you do what you want to do.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Thank God that not every girl is interested. Otherwise, how are you gonna find? How are you gonna find your wife? You know, how are you gonna find? Like, it's gonna be too much. You know. But once again, like right now, you know, you made the point of focus your number. And when you ask for a number, first of all, you know, like...
Oh, yeah,
So first of all, the point is not to get a number, is to hang out. But also when you ask for a number, now you are asking something. And she's going to give you something, and you're taking it, you know? It's very transactional. But it should be like, hey, you know, okay, when you're not busy, like, let's go to the park, or let's get a drink. This is like we are doing something. It's not like you're giving me something, and I'm taking it from you. You know? Yeah. But you feel, I can tell you're a bit more... better. You're a bit more like... the bowler level is a little bit higher, a little bit. I can tell.
I'm feeling it a little bit more.
Yeah,
Excuse me. You mind if I sit?
Yeah, that's good.
What's your name?
Sorry?
What's your name? Sorry, I'm eating right now. I thought you were cute. Are you waiting for someone or something?
Yeah, I'm waiting for my friends.
Okay, what are you guys gonna do? Just
Here, probably.
here, this? Have you been here before?
Happy hour.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, you guys just gonna have some fun and stuff, right?
Yeah, my boyfriend.
You slipped that one in there. I was gonna ask for your number, but...
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
What are you doing here?
I'm just with my friend. We're just seeing the area. He's from France, so...
Oh, shit, I'm French.
I'm just showing... You're French, actually? Oh.
Is he here?
Yeah, he's around somewhere.
Somewhere.
I think we were looking at shops, and then I went to get this, and then I don't know where he's gone. I'll find him.
He's going to get lost.
He's definitely going to get lost, but I'll find him. I can call him or something.
You should probably go find him.
Yeah, I'll go find him. Nice to meet you.
What's your name again?
Josh.
Josh. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you. I think I was very natural in that one.
But all in all, I can feel that you're way more comfortable
than before. Yeah.
So I feel like it's just a question of. I think you're right there.
Close.
For the first breakthrough.
Hopefully, I break through and then I'm just, you know.
You're just surfing the waves.
The wave, yeah. Excuse me. Sorry, are you on your break right now? Yeah. Do you work around here?
Yeah.
Where do you work? I thought you were pretty, so I wanted to say hi.
Thank you.
What's your name? I'm Josh.
Sorry.
Shit.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Camden.
You're from Camden?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
18.
18? Oh, same.
Where are you from?
East, like Tower Hamlets, you went there, near Stratford. Yeah.
Quite a bit.
Yeah, I work there. But, yeah, shit, my brain's just gone blank. Where are you from? Sorry, I said.
Where am I from?
No, I meant originally when I asked you, yeah.
Dominica, Kenya.
Oh, Kenya. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Sierra Leone, Nigeria. Can I get your number? Do you want to hang out sometime?
Get my number and we can see.
And we can see, yeah, okay, cool. So are you going to uni?
Yeah, I'm taking gap year.
Oh, I'm on a gap year right now.
Yeah. And I just finished A-levels.
Okay, yeah. I'm on a gap year now right now as well. Anyway, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
I'll hopefully see you. Oh, hug.
I'll give you a hug.
Okay, I was going to shake your hand. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
See you another time.
See you.
Yeah. Listen, it was very good. But it's kind of weird though, because I would have said that in terms of how smooth it went, it wasn't this smooth because I literally said, wait a second, my mind's gone blank, and then I picked it up. But I got the number, so I don't know.
Well, honestly, what I realized from experience is that the thing is you never know. Like sometimes I've had amazing interactions, like literally like amazing, like movie-like interactions, and I never saw the girl again. Sometimes I've had the weirdest, most awkward, like shitty moment, and then I saw the girl and it was fucking amazing. So like you never know.
Oh, I wasn't as present. I was in the conversation and I wasn't nervous somehow. I don't know, the nerves are kind of gone, but I still wasn't as present as I'd like to be.
I see. I mean, yeah.
Excuse me, do you guys mind if I sit for a sec? No, yes, no. I wanted to, I thought you were pretty, I wanted to say hello.
Sorry, we both have boyfriends.
Yeah. Okay, cool, that's alright.
Sorry.
Nice to meet you.
So, do you have some thoughts about this before I give you some feedback?
I don't think they were at all interested in interacting with anyone.
I would bring it back to the earlier.
What you said earlier.
The thing I noticed is you came and you asked, "Can I sit?"
Yeah, because they looked so confused. They were like,
but you introduced. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you introduced that confusion. Like you could still have had a nice interaction.
Yeah.
You can always have a nice interaction. When you don't have a nice interaction, it's on you. Like think about it, right? You're with a friend and a random person comes and asks, "Can I sit?" Why? Like obviously they're confused.
Yeah.
Why do you want to sit?
Sense,
How long are you gonna sit? Do you want to sit or do you want to talk to us? Do you, it's so, like your question confused them.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yeah.
you should have been like, "Hey, you're very cute. You sit. You can make a joke. What are we eating or whatever? Or this. Or that. Like there's so many ways that you could have, played out this interaction. So always consider all of the other ways instead of saying like, oh, they were close to talking. Like, that's not true.
Excuse me. Who are you? Who are you? You're like walking around like really peacefully and like naturally. Like you look like. Oh, you're a tourist. Where are you from? Germany. Ah, guten Tag. Yes. My name is Josh. Nice to meet you. How long are you here for?
Just here for a week visiting friends.
Oh, okay. Masters in what?
In law.
In law? Oh, so like you're trying to be a lawyer? Oh shit, that's some heavy ass shit.
What are you doing?
I'm here with my friend. I don't know where he's gone, but yeah, he's also foreign. He's from France, but
Okay.
I thought you were. You look like an angel. Like you were like or a fairy. Like you're just like really. You didn't look. I know you were taking pictures, but you didn't look foreign. You look comfortable.
Thank you.
I thought you were really attractive, so I was wondering if I could get your number, hang out sometime. Next time you're in London, I could show you around. No pressure.
Yeah, I usually don't give my number, like...
Do you use Snapchat?
Instagram or something.
I don't have Instagram. Well,
But it was so nice.
it was nice to meet you too.
Thank you for the compliment and everything.
If I gave you my number, if you're in London looking for someone to show you around, no pressure. If it's no, it's alright. I'll just go. It's fine.
I mean, if it's destiny, we will meet again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Joshua,
Nice to meet you too.
you have lovely hands. Thank you. It was definitely good. She was beautiful and made her laugh. She was into the conversation. Didn't get the number, but it was a good interaction, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other thoughts?
I'm annoyed that it's over now, but it's okay.
It's not over, man.
It's
You're
not over.
dying. It's fine.
Yeah.
You'll wake up tomorrow and
Keep on going. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, Joshua. So how was today?
Today was all right. It was pretty good. I made a good amount of progress, and I think I've definitely got into the mindset. I think what helped a lot was the talks you gave me in between. I think the thing I'd take away from this was the whole just be relaxed and present, which is a problem I have in general, and it comes up in this specific situation the most. Like you say, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And if I say exactly what I'm thinking, I'm saying it in a comfortable way because I'm being comfortable, if that makes... I know I'm not really speaking very clearly, but do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. Do you have anything to say to people who are watching this video?
Do it. Like, at the beginning, I was really nervous, and this has helped get rid of that shit.
Any last words?
Not really. Nah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Cool.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. That's it for today. See you next time.